This is 260 million project. Useless.
Ang mahirap din talaga dito sa laban kontra korupsyon, ang hirap maghanap ng ebidensya.
Talagang nakalinyang mga maleta na yun daw ang lagayan ng pera para sa mga congressman.
Criminal. Mga hayop to mga tao to, hindi tao to mga to.
Ang sinungaling ay asawa ng magnanakaw.
Sa mga nakikipagsabwatan upang kunin ang pondo ng bayan, hiyang naman kayo sa inyong kapwa Pilipino.
Today, we want to talk about corruption, not just a word on the news, but as a problem that causes real pain of Filipinos. Recently, many families lost loved ones because of the strong typhoon.
Kaduot mi sa gapnod, pagduot na mo sa gapnod, hayang man na ako ang papa. Sumuna na nawa akong anak, nabuyan. Pagbalik niya sa babaw, pagkatkat sa saging, habili na ako ang anak, wala na nakuha. Ano na?
Wala bisa ako, kat-kat niya. Anak ko, may kasakami niya. Timing din niya. Amang gawarin ng lobby na tumbadayo niya. Ang kabante kong ang anak na kusa, wala na di ay. Kita na ako. Wala man ka. Kung napinisultit akong salingan nga, imong anak so, napa dito sa lobby. Bahala niya yung mamatay ko pareha lang yung uban ang tayan. Mamatay.
The floodwaters rose fast, homes were destroyed, and lives were taken. Because the flood control project was supposed to protect the community field.
Nito lang Martes, nagtungo kami sa Candating, bayan ng Arayat sa Pampanga na isa sa mga binanggit ni Senator Panfilo Lacson sa kanyang privilege speech na di umano maanumalyang flood control project.
4 years now, the riverbank mitigation project in Candating, Arayat has been the face of a failed flood control project. Tuwing umuulan, panay ang aray ng mga taga-Arayat.
And why did it fail? Because the money meant for safety was stolen and misused. Instead of building strong barriers and proper drainage, some officials chose personal gain over public safety.
How many more lives must be lost? How many families must suffer? Corruption is not about money. It destroys lives and leaves communities unprotected.
But we can fight corruption by choosing honesty, saying no to bribes, demanding transparency, reporting wrongdoing, and supporting leaders with integrity.
Imagine if the facts were used correctly, maybe the barriers wouldn't have collapsed. And maybe the factories would still compete today.
Corruption must end, not tomorrow, but now.
Let us stand together and say, no to corruption, yes to honesty, integrity and accountability. Enough is enough. Fight for corruption. Protect lives.